We got a big package. What's in this box costs $129. It's a dino egg. There's a baby dino inside. So we gotta hatch it. This is how you hatch a dinosaur. First, you gotta put the dino egg in water. Then you wait 24 hours. Then you crack it open and see what happens. And that's exactly what we did. Put it in water last night and now we're gonna check it. This is so exciting. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Dino, Dino, Dino. There's a little baby Dino inside. Look at that. Baby Dino is actually moving. It's trying to get out. Let's help him. Okay, we got him out. Now we just gotta dry him off a little bit. There he is. Our very own baby dinosaur. He's so cute. Let's look at him. Now we gotta feed him. Dinosaurs eat meat. So we got some juicy red meat. That's what dinosaurs eat. Raw meat. Oh no. He doesn't want the raw meat. Wait. I think I know what the problem is. He's a baby. He doesn't have any teeth. So let's get him a nice little piece of steak. That should be good. Do you think he'll like it? Of course he does. He's a carnivore. This is his first piece of meat. And look at those sharp little baby teeth. Those are some sharp little teeth. Uh-oh, we gotta take care of this Dino because he's all alone. He needs a friend. And what's a Dino's best friend? Another Dino? But where can we find another Dino? We could go to the park and look for one, but let's just go in the backyard. Maybe we can find something back there. Let's go. So we were looking around in the backyard and guess what we found? A nest with 3 eggs in it. Can you believe it? 3 dino eggs. So we brought the eggs inside and we put them next to the other egg. And then we waited 24 hours. Checked them every hour to see if they hatched. And then finally one of them hatched. And guess what? It was a girl. We named her Lucy. She's so cute. Look at those little arms. Look at those little legs. She has a little tail. Just look at her. She's so cute. She's also a little bit hungry, so we got her some food. And she ate it all up, a little greedy girl. And we got to take care of these dinos. They need to stay warm. So we put them in our little baby incubator. Now they can stay warm and cozy. And they'll be the happiest little dinos in the world.